The CORSAIR RM750e is an exceptional power supply unit that offers a plethora of features and benefits for any PC builder or enthusiast. With its fully modular design, you can easily customize your cable management, ensuring a clean and tidy build. The low noise operation is a welcome addition, providing a quiet computing experience without compromising on performance. This power supply boasts an impressive 750 watt capacity, ensuring your system receives ample power for even the most demanding components. The ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compliance future-proofs your build, allowing you to upgrade and stay up to date with the latest technologies. The Cybernetics Gold efficiency rating is a testament to its energy efficiency, reducing power consumption and keeping your electricity bills low. One of the standout features is the 105-degree C-rated capacitors, which provide exceptional reliability and stability, ensuring your power supply can handle even the most intense gaming or rendering sessions. The modern standby mode is a convenient addition, allowing your PC to wake up quickly from sleep, saving time and improving overall efficiency. The CORSAIR RM750e is built with premium components, ensuring a long-lasting and durable power supply. The black finish adds a sleek and modern aesthetic to your PC build, complementing any case design. With its impressive specifications and features, this power supply is a top choice for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and high-performance power solution. Overall, the CORSAIR RM750e is an excellent investment for any PC builder, offering a balance of performance, efficiency, and customization. It's a power supply that will keep up with your demanding tasks and provide a quiet, reliable operation for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.